If you transpose the minus 5 value, minus 5y becomes plus 5y. Therefore, plus 5y equal to 2x plus 70. Then send the 5 also. Here 5 multiplies the y. Then if we transpose the 5, then it divides the 2x plus 70. Yes, y equal to 2x plus 70 by 5. Now calculate the coordinates for drawing the graph. Create the table like this. Here I am taking x coordinates and y coordinates. If we substitute x equal to 10, then what will be the y value? Here I am substituting x equal to 10. So 2 into 10, 2 tens are 20. 20 plus 70, 90. 90 by 5, yes, 18. 5 18s are 90. So if x equal to 10, then y equal to 18. Now I am substituting x equal to 20. If I substitute x equal to 20, then 2 into 20, 40. 40 plus 70, 110. 110 by 5. Yes, 22. 5 22s are 110. 5 20s are 100. 5 2s are 10. That's why 110. Now I am substituting 40. X equal to 40. If x equal to 40, what will be the y value? Let me calculate here. Here I am substituting x equal to 40. That's why 2 into 40. 2 40s are 80. 80 plus 70, 150. 150 by 5. Yes, 150 by 5 means 30. 5 30s are 150. So if x equal to 40, then y equal to 30. I am writing in the form of coordinates here. XY form, that is 10 18, 20 22, 40 30. Okay students, you can draw the graph by using this table. You can draw the first straight line. Now calculate the values for drawing the second straight line. What is the second equation here? Now I am taking second equation. Minus 5x plus 10y minus 100 equal to 0. Minus 5x plus 10y minus 100 equal to 0. If we transpose the minus 5x and minus 100, they becomes plus quantities. That is 10y is equal to 5x plus 100. Then send the 10 value also. Here 10 multiplies y, then it divides the values other side the equation. So that is y is equal to 5x plus 100 by 10. Now create the table like this. Here I am taking xy coordinates here. Here the value in the denominator is 10. So it is better to choose a value for getting the 10 multiples in the result of 5x plus 10. So here I am taking x is 10. If I substitute x equal to 10, then y value will be 5 into 10. 5 tens are 50. 50 plus 100, 150. 150 by 10. Yes, 150 by 10 is 15. 10 15s are 150. So if x equal to 10, then y value will be 15. Now I am taking x equal to 20. If x equal to 20, then what will be the y value? Let us calculate. Substitute x equal to 20. I mean, we have to substitute 20 in the place of x. 5 into 20. 5 20s are 100. 100 plus 100, 200. 200 by 10, 20. 10 20s are 200. So if x equal to 20, then y value also 20. Now I am taking x equal to 40. If x equal to 40, then 5 into 40. 5 4s are 20. That's why 5 40s are 200. 200 plus 100, 300. 300 by 10, 30. 5 30, sorry, 10 30s are 300. So if x equal to 40, then y value is 30. Okay student, this is the table for the second straight line, for calculating the second straight line. So now write the values in the form of coordinates form: xy 10 15 20 20 40 30. Okay students, now draw the graphs by using these tables. You can draw the first straight line by using the first table, and you can draw the second straight line by using the second straight line. Okay, draw the graphs by using these tables and send your graphs through my WhatsApp.